Bollywood stars who went for hair transplant. Salman Khan. It is known to everybody that the Bhaijan of Bollywood was suffering from the severe hair loss problem and he was going bald. Then the actor decided to opt for hair transplant, but the hair transplant at India was unsuccessful in 2003. Later he chose another transplant at Dubai which was successful because he made regular visits there between 2003 to 2013. Amitabh Bachchan. The veteran Bollywood actor started to lose his hair during the late 90s and then he was also facing a great loss in his profession. Later when he returned with Kaun Banega Crorepati in 2000, it was quite visible that the actor went for a hair transplant surgery. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar started to lose his hair after he became 40 and he started wearing wigs during public appearances. Later the actor went for hair transplant as he was getting bald, but the actor never accepted that he opted for surgery. Ranbir Kapoor. After the success of his film Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, rumors started doing rounds that the actor was getting bald. There were reports suggesting that the actor opted for hair transplant. It was true, as we know the Kapoor family has a problem with hair loss. Kapil Sharma. One of the popular comedians of India, Kapil Sharma was almost bald during the initial days of his struggle in the industry. Later when he became quite famous in the industry, the comedian opted for a hair transplant surgery and now he looks quite young. Vivek Oberoi. The actor loves to experiment with his hair, but unfortunately he did not have a good quality of hair, which is why the actor chose a different type of hair transplant, FUT transplantation, to have a good quality of hair. Sanjay Dutt. The actor was suffering from a severe hair loss problem and later he willingly chose bald look in 2013's movie Agnipath. After the movie, the actor went for follicular unit transplant in USA, which gave him great results as the actor now has good hair. Sunny Deol. This Bollywood actor was losing his hair from the front portion of his head and that is why the actor opted for hair transplant. He did not do much changes in his hair, the actor just changed hairline from the front. Govinda. Another popular and hit actor Govinda was also getting bald and he was losing his hair severely and he disappeared from industry. On Salman Khan's suggestion, Govinda also opted for a hair transplant and he returned in the industry with the movie Partner. Aditya Pancholi. This Bollywood baddie faced huge problem in his professional career because of his huge hair loss problem. Later the actor chose to do a laser hair transplant surgery in Dubai and luckily the surgery gave him great results. Akshay Khanna. There was a time when Bollywood actor Akshay Khanna lost his hair in the 2000s and wore wig in his films. Later he opted for hair weaving technique to overcome his baldness in movies, which was costing him his professional life. Himesh Reshammiya. He didn't have a good quality of hair and was suffering from baldness, which is why he wore caps during his public appearances. Later, to flourish his acting career too, the singer and actor opted for hair transplant. He chose shiny and silky hair.